Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Roblox to your Discord server to allow a lot of features from Roblox inside Discord. That's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first step, of course, is to open up your Discord application. Now inside the Discord application, you sign into your existing account and head down to the server where you want to add Roblox to. Now, to do this, we need an application. Now, inside Discord, there are a lot of applications to add to your server to allow a lot of features. Now, we're going to add your first app. From here, we're going to check it out, or simply directly head to the app directory. And from there, we come up right here. Now, in the search bar, type in Rover. And here we see the first tab, that is Roblox on Discord. And as you can see, it has a lot of features already built in. And how to simply add this is by going to the top right and add the application. As you can see, it will take you to the Rover link, visit the website, and right here you need to log in with a Discord. Now here simply authorize a Rover to Discord. Or simply logging in, select the server that you would like, test 1 for example, and here it gives you access to the Rover application to the server of your liking. Simply press continue, and here give all this a check, press authorize, and here we need to confirm we are a human. And from there, the Rover has been added to your Discord. Now here you can play around with it. You have a lot of things to choose from. Roles, for example, the verification channel, the log channel, and all kinds of stuff. And here, as you can see, inside the application, a Rover has been added. And now you can play around with Rover inside the rover.link to do all kinds of stuff. Now here we can manage the servers, as you can see right here, and it brings us back to the thing that we just saw. Now if you still get any other questions regarding Rover or anything else, please leave it in the comments down below. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.